How to fix Windows Update error 0x8007001C. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Built into Windows, this tool scans for common update issues and applies fixes automatically, making it a quick first step for resolving error 0x8007001C. Certain services have to be running for Windows updates to be successful. You should make sure that's the case. If they are already running, restarting could be a good idea. Fix 3. Perform disk cleanup. Old update files or low disk space can trigger the error, and this utility clears out the clutter. Misconfigured services can disrupt updates, and resetting them restores default functionality. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Type Y and press Enter. Close down Command Prompt and restart your device. Wait until the scan is finished. You can find the results in the Event Viewer.